Hi, my name is Donovan with D-Noakes Tree Service. We service all of Richmond, all of Charlottesville, Fredericksburg, Madison, Orange. We do anything from full removals of trees to stump grinding to emergency storm work, trees fall on structures, stuff like that. We come out, we can remove them. Well, my father and my uncle, they had a business in Richmond for about 35 years. I worked with them all of my life, and then, like I said, I branched off on my own and started my own company. It gives like other people, I guess not hope, but they see that I can do it. I want to inspire people so they can do it too. So I love my dually over there. That was something that when I was little I've always wanted, and when I worked hard enough I went and got it. So I'm good on equipment right now. I just want to grow the company as a whole, get more customers. Everything I own, I would say is I'm proud of it. I wake up every day, I love it. If you need any trees taken down, call D-Noakes Tree Service.